Hello everyone! Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Cecily Vlog is here. Hi guys! If you want to learn how to cook Arabic food, please watch my videos. So guys, for today's video, another recipe. Machbous Rubian. So guys, another version ng ating recipe for today. So, step by step guys, so yan yung ating mga ingredients. Of course, meron tayong shrimp, rice, tomato, and Arabic spicy. So guys, let's start sa ating pagluluto. So, meron na tayo dyan guys. Ready na yung ating mga ingredients. So, samahan nyo ako sa aking pagluluto. Yan guys. Let's start! Then first guys, gagamit tayo ng olive oil. And then, susunod natin yung butter. And then, gagamit tayo ng napakaraming onion. So guys, dapat talaga maraming onion para masarap yung ating machbous. Next yung ating garlic. Ginger. So, halu-haluin lang natin yan guys. So, next yung ating Arabic spices. Cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaves, star anise. Yan, halu-haluin lang natin para mag-well combine yung ating mga spicy. So, yan, ready na guys. So, next yung ating shrimp, 2 kilo. So, halu-haluin lang natin yan. So, next guys, ilalagay na natin yung ating mga spicy. So, dyan guys, naglagay tayo ng ating shrimp masala, Maggi masala, and then curry powder, and then turmeric, cinnamon, and nutmeg powder. Next yung ating chili, curry leaves, and coriander leaves. So next, naglagay tayo ng konting soy sauce. So yan, halu-haluin lang natin para mag-well combine yung ating mga spicy. So next guys, ilalagay na natin yung ating tomato. Ayan, binland lang natin yan. Bali yan yung magiging water natin guys. Hindi na tayo maglalagay ng tubig. So bali yan na yun. So nag-add lang tayo ng konting salt. So yan, tatakpan lang natin. So guys, after 10 minutes, ayan na. Kumulo na yung ating shrimp. So guys, ready na yan. So, isusunod na natin dyan yung ating rice. Yes guys, isusunod na yung rice. So, pakaluan lang natin yan guys. At least 10 minutes. So yun guys, after 10 minutes, ayan na. So lalagyan natin ng sapin yung ilalim guys para hindi masunog. At sa mahinang apoy, low fire. At so babalutin natin ng aluminum foil. Para madali siya maluto guys. At least 15 minutes. 15 minutes is enough. So yun guys, antayin lang natin at least 15 minutes. So while nag-aantay tayo, gagawa tayo ng kanyang toppings. So simple lang yan, naglagay lang ako ng olive oil. So guys, every time nagluluto ako, gumagamit talaga ako ng olive oil. So yun na nga, ilagay na natin yung ating onion. So antayin lang natin yan guys, mag-crispy. So guys, after 15 minutes, so ito na yung ating rice. So i-check na natin kung ready na. So yan guys, finally ready na. So perfect yung ating matchbox guys, yung ating water. So perfect. So nakuha natin yung tamang texture ng rice. So yan lang guys. So ito na, ready na yung ating onion para sa ating toppings. Antayin lang natin mag-konting red yan. So guys, napakahirap gumawa ng content na ganito. Sobrang matrabaho pero tiis-tiis lang tayo. Ganitong recipe guys, sobrang matrabaho. So ito guys, yung aking version ng matchbox. So napakaraming version ng matchbox guys. So yan, finally after 15 minutes, ayan na, ready na yung ating matchbox Rubion. So guys, so napakaraming version guys ng Arabic, no? Sa Kuwait, iba din yung version nila. Saudi, iba din. Oman, Qatar. So guys, nandito ako sa Bahrain. So ito din yung aking way. So meron na rin ako mga nagawang video guys, pero iba din yung version na ginawa ko doon. This time kasi yung tomato binlend ko. So bali yun yung nagiging tubig natin. So parang bet ko ito mas masarap. So ayan na yung ating matchbox. So lalagyan na natin ng fried onion para mas masarap yung ating matchbox. So yun na guys, ready na yung ating lunch for today.
So guys, ready na yung ating recipe for today. Matchbox shrimp. Guys, napakasimple lang lutuin. Hope nasundan niyo ang ating recipe for today. Arabic food, matchbox shrimp. Or matchbox rubian in Arabic words. Guys, thanks for always watching my video. Please don't forget to like and comment. God bless everyone.